Brand new.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be installing some hair that I got from Kraler hair on Amazon. This is their Kraler 12-inch butterfly locks crochet hair, 6 packs, pre-loop distress locks, crochet braids in the color T27. So for the braid pattern, I decided to do connected braids in the front and regular cornrows in the back. I can't remember right now off the top of my head how many braids I did, but I'll put it in the description box below if you're interested. And as far as her hair texture, she has like a natural 4A texture type hair, but she recently got a silk press, so her hair was still like really straight from that. I'm using my Sheisbombcollection edge control to slick down her hair, and the bomb glue for the edges, and honey butter for the moisturization. All the products that I'm using and more hair information plus the link to purchase is all in my description box below if you're interested. But back to this install. So right, I'm doing the connected braids in the front and I'm swooping down her edges ahead of time so that I don't have to worry about swooping them after the hair is already installed. This won't be like much of a tutorial or anything, if that's what you were thinking. But I did want to like kind of show you how I did these braids, and this is like low-key the only footage that I have. I don't know if I ran out of space or my camera died, but something happened, and when it came to edit this video, clips were missing, so sorry about that. Now let's get into this hair. This is the 12-inch butterfly locks from Kraler hair. Ain't it cute? Like, these some really cute locks, I ain't even gonna lie. And there are 12 locks in each bundle, and I got a total of 6 bundles in my order. And these locks, I would say they're not too heavy, but they ain't exactly the definition of lightweight either. So I guess it feels like a regular faux lock install, like a full head of braids. And I did her install pretty full, so yeah. I mean, there you go. You could kind of see how much braids I did once. Okay, I did a total of 10 connected braids in the front, but I'm not too sure how much I did in the back. I think about 7. So yeah, let's just go with that. 10 connected braids in the front and 7 straight back cornrows in the back. And the loops on these crochet locks were pretty tight, so it took a little while for me to get used to like latching it on the hook. But once I got the hang of it, it was all good. And yeah, I tried to do that one on her edge, but I was like, yeah, let me start with a braid, like with a flat cornrow, because I was still trying to get the hang of getting the loop onto the hook and fitting that lock through that loop. So I don't know if you could tell, but I kind of struggled at first, but later on in the style, I wish you could have seen, it got a lot easier. Now I was able to get like 1 second of a clip, but this is the finished look. I really loved her hair when I was done, and she loved it too. And it only took about 4 hours, I believe. I can't remember. I think it took about 4 hours to do this style, but I'm pretty sure it could be done in a quicker time. But yeah, it was something trying to get used to pulling that loop, like pulling through that loop. But anyways, you see it's a nice full install, not too heavy. I love the ombre tips, like that was really cute. I want to give a big shout out to Kraler hair on Amazon for sending me these crochet butterfly locks. And a big shout out to my beautiful model. And a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.